2011 GMC Acadia. This is all around Autotex, and what we have here is an AC line. You see where all that white stuff, this is after the fact. I'll put some pictures of what it looked like before, but this hose was hitting this AC line with this metal part, and it grew the hole in it over time. And I called the dealership. They wanted over $1,000 because this line goes from the engine all the way to the back under here, where it's spliced in with a tool that I don't have. And so I got some JB Weld aluminum kind. And that's what I put on there. And it's good for aluminum. So that's what we have in here. And I'm going to pull a vacuum. That's what I'm doing here for about an hour. And then we're going to recharge it with refrigerant and see if it holds.